Exporting your EveryDollar zero-based budget is a straightforward process that allows you to track your expenses and stay on top of your finances. To begin, log into your EveryDollar account and navigate to the budgeting section. Here, you will see a comprehensive overview of your income and expenses, categorized and totaled for easy reference. The first step in exporting your budget is to click on the settings icon, typically represented by a gear or cog symbol. From the drop-down menu, select the Export option. This will prompt a new window to open, where you can choose the format in which you want to export your budget. Common formats include CSV, Excel, and PDF. Choose the format that best suits your needs, and select the date range for which you want to export your budget. You can export your entire budget history or choose a specific time period, such as the current month or quarter. Once you have made your selections, click the Export button to initiate the download process. Your exported budget will include all of your income and expense categories, along with the corresponding totals and percentages. This information can be used to identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses and allocate more funds to savings and debt repayment. By regularly exporting and reviewing your budget, you can stay on track with your financial goals and make informed decisions about your money. To get the most out of your exported budget, consider the following best practices. First, review your budget regularly to ensure you are staying on track with your financial goals. Second, use the data to identify trends and patterns in your spending habits, and make adjustments as needed. Finally, consider sharing your budget with a financial advisor or accountant to get personalized advice and guidance. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively export your EveryDollar zero-based budget and take control of your finances. Remember to stay consistent, stay informed, and always keep your financial goals in mind. With the right tools and knowledge, you can achieve financial freedom and security, and enjoy a more stable and prosperous future.